Increasing employee wellbeing through biophilic design. If you're considering the most effective ways to increase employee confidence when returning to the office, then wellbeing features should be high on the agenda. That's where a biophilic approach is crucial. Be it a major fit-out of the entire space or some small refreshes in specific areas, there are elements of biophilic design your building can benefit from. Biophilic design can help foster a culture of creativity, reduce stress, and enhance overall well-being. Whilst we continue to work through the pandemic, these qualities are more important than ever. So naturally, it's predicted that biophilic principles will become a post-pandemic design priority. But what exactly is biophilic design, and how can you incorporate its benefits into your building? Here are some insights from industry professionals on using biophilic principles in your workspace. Getting started. Whilst plants are a central focus of the principle, it's important to remember that effective biophilic design is about more than just adding some foliage. A biophilic approach seeks to connect building occupants more closely to nature. To achieve this, buildings should incorporate elements like natural lighting, ventilation, and landscape features. This creates a more comforting and healthier built environment for people. Socially distanced, but closer to nature. Whilst we continue to socially distance, we can use this as an opportunity to increase our connection with nature. Many social distancing solutions for the office are now incorporating biophilic design principles like these living social distancing screens. Bridget Dombavand, director at Artigreen, told us, "Live divider screens are essentially a freestanding living wall that can easily be moved to screen off or designate areas within an office. The benefit being that they are filled with plants, and as well as increasing positivity and well-being, studies show that plants in a workplace can also reduce stress levels and lower the risk of headaches." With the live divider screens, they also don't feel like such a COVID safety measure because they are so much more attractive than a Perspex screen. Natural light. Nikki Fuchs, Managing Director at Office Space in Town, explains, "Spaces that introduce natural light as well as outdoor areas are likely to be viewed by employers as an important investment into workers' well-being after COVID-19. Other options include specialised lighting that mimics natural light, while digital capabilities such as smart windows and sensor technology can help manage lighting and ventilation." Michal Cohen-Sagi, CEO at 58 Wellbeing, told us, "Working in biophilic design should take in consideration of natural light. At 58 Wellbeing, all of our therapy rooms have high ceilings and large windows. The reception and waiting area are spacious and have lots of natural light. That helps team well-being and supports the client's journey. It brings positivity and open communication that, especially now with COVID social distancing, enhance the ability to feel nurtured and supported in a safe and natural environment." Indoor air quality. Indoor air quality is a key component for healthy living and forms a central part of wellbeing certification programs such as Well Building Standard. It's a great idea to include plenty of air purifying plants such as ivy, peace lilies, Boston ferns and bamboo palms. Around 6 to 8 is recommended per regular user in each room. These should ideally be supplemented with a mechanical air purifier, says Nathan Wood, chair of BISA's Health and Wellbeing in Buildings Group. Outside air needs to be filtered, and air purification technologies could be used in certain circumstances. The latter have been proving their worth in healthcare settings. Layout and use of colour. Lisa J. Piley, Dulux Trade Commercial Colour Consultant, states, "In order to further reinforce biophilic principles, desks will face a different direction, looking out onto windows. It will also serve to remind many of the benefits of working in the garden during lockdown." At the same time, clever colour use can provide the illusion of walls melting away and beckoning the outside in, fostering a greater sense of well-being for users of a space. Head to our Workplace and Wellbeing section for further tips on biophilic design. Read more at TWinFM.com.